Hello people, welcome again to this channel. So today we will talk about CapCut application, and I will let to show you how you can transfer your CapCut project from mobile phone into your personal computer. You just need to open the CapCut application, wait until it's perfectly opened, and then you just need to go click me or the profile. You just need to make sure what account that you use for logged in into your mobile phone, and make sure you remember the username and password for this account. Now you just need to go back into the edit section, and then you just need to pick which project that you want to transfer. I want to transfer this project, so you just need to go click these three small dots here, and then the next thing you need to do is just go upload to space, and then you just need to pick the folder and go click upload. You just need to go click view and see the progress of the uploading. So you just need to wait until this uploading here is perfectly uploaded into your CapCut spaces. And after it's completely uploaded, now you just need to go up on your personal computer, open the CapCut and log in with this account, and then you just need to click this space and find this project, and then you can just like download it. So this is the example of the project that have been uploaded. So yeah, that's for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and let's meet again into other tutorial.